for it so far. We'll see how we do.
That's content.
So,
Unless you've got more to eat.
boat trip.
Survival tactics.
How's it looking?
Absolutely class, mate.
Everyone's keen. Ben's upset because he lost the vote on the toy.
I'm just keen to be here.
How we doing, lads?
Joe's gonna be sick.
Everyone's dying back there. Joe especially. What a poor little boy.
My boy!
He's looking lovely though. Look at that smile.
Joe especially, haven't you?
Sam looks fresh. I'll give him that. God, where's that water?
But yeah, that's all pretty good. We're just heading out now, so keen. Who's down there?
Oh, no.
How was it, Luke?
Fucking
jokes. How we doing, Luke?
Golden, mate. Golden.
Lovely stuff. Joe is somewhat here. Physically, yes. Mentally, spiritually, in any other way, no.
Significantly better than Joe.
Yeah, Louise is doing great. She's pretty pissed.
Yeah, mate.
Done a bit of the rubber ring.
I want to do the dongle again.
Dongle.
Yeah, the big round thing.
The inflatable tube. The rubber ring. Yeah. Could do some wakeboarding as well, that'd be good. But just fucking chilling. It's fucking lovely. He is actually floating to shore, so. So, we've had an event for Ben is dying. Louise fainted. She fainted. Rachel and Luke are in a mission to wind each other up. I'm trying to join in this mission. She's a clown. And the rest of us just had a really nice meal. The others have gone on to Fruity. And we're just...
I keep saying something the fuck out of. Please stop saying that.
And we're heading off there next once we recuperate and try and figure out what the fuck we're doing. I think although the boat trip was really good, a few of us might have got the sunstroke. I wonder who it is. Is it Gavin? Who could it be?
It's got the vibrator in it.
Or Sleepy McFuckface? You guess. Answers on the board. 30 seconds.
I don't know how you go.
Sleepy McFuckface is on the board. Walk it in! Walk it in, man.
I'm well impressed that you've worn white for the majority of this holiday, but not still red wine.
No, it is.
And give us a smile.
And also, I'm going to point out, I never do that at home.
It's the wrong
Every
order,
time I
it's the wrong
wear
order, it's
white when back home,
Give us a
I
smile.
spill everything over it.
Everyone's saying, Louise, what are you saying?
Not much, mate.
We're out. We're about. It's Friday night. How you feeling?
Well, considering I've just come back from the dead, decent. I'm a bit cold, but it's a bit of a piss take because I'm in Spain. But other than that, yeah, can't even keep a straight face while saying that. What about Ben? Let's see about Ben.
No. That's my camera time.
I feel great.
Luke, how you feeling?
Pretty sweet, mate.
Enjoying your Friday night?
Always have.
We're back in premium. Will, what are you going to say?
Have a good night, mate.
Let's fucking do it. Good news. Sam, you're looking lovely in pink. How you feeling?
I'm feeling crispy. Apart from that, I'm all good.
Lovely stuff. Joe, how's the watch?
Yeah, no, I'm feeling good.
Give us a flex.
Got a 30 grand watch for
Oh, look at that.
I mean, I'm pretty good at that.
He's pretty golden. I'm doing alright. Slowly getting there. A couple of beers are helping. So, onwards and upwards. Luke, this B-roll is supposed to show how lively the night is, and you're yawning.